ligado à natureza, à terra.
What is the opinion of the Aborigine about these constructions? What is your feeling about them?
Estou pisando num local em que eu considero do maior respeito. Para nós somos um local sagrado. Não foi feito para guerra, não foi feito para defesa, foi feito para externar aí alguma coisa voltada à questão cultural.
If the geometrical shapes have no practical function, such a huge effort to create them suggests a higher purpose. There may be a clue in the spiritual traditions of the Aborigine.
Então, a gente compara um caso desse aqui como que fosse um circo que os Apurinas fazem quando está dançando, fazendo a homenagem de um cacique, de um pajé que falece, de uma pessoa importante da aldeia. A gente tem esse espaço como que fosse ele fosse acolher todos nós depois do subida do mundo material, né?
This is a view that's very strongly held amongst indigenous cultures across the Amazon to this day, that after death, our soul makes a journey, ultimately to an afterlife existence. This is an idea that is found all around the world, and structures were created to aid the journey of the soul after death. Let's take the example of pyramids. I don't know of a single pyramidal structure around the world that isn't connected to the notion of death and the afterlife journey of the soul. This is particularly evident in the ancient Egyptian pyramids, but it's just as evident in the pyramids of the Americas and of Mexico. So it's interesting to learn from Antonio that the Amazon geoglyphs may have served a similar purpose for the people who first created them, untold thousands of years ago. Back at the airfield, it's time to find out if our LiDAR survey has detected yet more of these sacred sites beneath the canopy.
So Fabio, please tell us what you found.
We surveyed the area using the LiDAR, and you see the trees.
Yeah.
And now, wow, incredible!
Wow.
These enormous structures in the Amazon speak to a monumental human endeavor. But how many of them are there?
Please tell us what you found.
You see the trees?
Yeah.
And now the terrain.
Wow. Wow.
Incredible!
Professor Parson and the team have found 9 new geoglyphs that were hidden beneath the jungle canopy.